we want to create forecast for this product group that we have created. So we use this product group to create, and we want to now go to planning. On the planning for product group, we have MC81, create product group planning. So click on MC81, double click on it. And you are now able to see that what group of product you're going to be using to create plan for that, right? So my identification number 222 is there, and then the plant is DL00. Hit enter, and you came to this part where you will be able to now start your forecasting process for this product group. So let's first go to more, and you will see planning and editing, and go to extra in many menus here, and among them you're going to choose edit, and we want to create sales plan, and among them forecast sales plan we want to use. So click on that forecast, and it says here you need to create period intervals for this forecast plan and hierarchical data. And let's be careful here. So here the from is this month 2021. Right now is December 2021. That's why I just leave it as December 2021. If you are working on it, say May 2022, then it should be May 2022. And 2 is enter previous month next year. So it should be November of next year. So I'm going to put 2022. If you were using May of 2022 as the starting point, then it should be April of 2023 over here. And now historical data, enter this month and then 3 years back. So December and then 3 years back, 2021 minus 3 is 2018, right? So historical data is that one. And then we have enter, now the 2 is enter previous month of this year. So November of 2021 is right. If you used starting point as May 2022, it should be April of 2022. And now this is automatic model solution. And if you have done that, if everything is right, now click on forecasting. Okay. And here let's specify what we need to do. So click on trend and season, and then point to 12, that's good, and click on forecasting again. And your forecast is right here, but these values will be different from yours because you might have entered different forecast data before. So mine is December 2021 is the starting point, and that's how I entered the data. You could be May 2022, then the forecasting number, historical sales data is different. Therefore, the forecasting model will create different result. So bear in mind that. And now, if you want to see the graph of this forecast, click on that graph, and that will show you the graphs. So first, let's look at this statistical graphic and how it is coming along. And the history is shown in yellow, while the future forecast is shown in red. So this is historical data, and this is future forecast that you have created. And first note that this is showing sales and forecast for the RF bike family that we have created for both RF RT 1000 and 2000, and the sales are the sum of historical sales for RF standard and RF commuter. Second, note that for the previous year, a forecast was calculated and compared to the historical sales data. This is where the MAD calculation comes from. So MAD is the error that we are trying to minimize, and that calculation is coming from that. Also, the red and orange line going into the future is next year's product family forecast, and that's what you can see in this part. And if you have reviewed, you can see the increasing trend, but also you see the seasonality, which replicates what happened in the past. And in the future, the forecasting model says that the sales will increase, but there is still seasonality. That's what this forecast model says to you. Now you want to commit your sales forecast to the planning table. So to do that, you have to hit this enter. Then you're going to commit this forecast data. And you committed your sales forecast to the planning table, and now it shows this, and you want to save this one so that you can make changes later. So again, the number will be different from yours. I started from December 2021, but in your case it will be different. So you have now created a sales forecast for the RF product group at the global bike. You will create now an aggregate production plan to fulfill this forecast in the next section.